Hi guys, midday snack. We've been out shopping, food shopping, so treated ourselves to a couple of jam donuts for our snack with coffee. So consequently haven't done anything out here because we've been shopping. And he's got the washing in here, drying off. We did have a little bit of sun. Generally it's supposed to be cloudy all day today, as you can probably see by those nice black clouds out there. But that still heats up in here when we get a bit of sun. Just had a disaster with some 3D printing upstairs. This silver filament I've been using, and I've been saying how good it is, it just jammed up there on the printer. It's uneven thickness on the filament, and it had stopped printing when it got to a bit that was too thick to go through the tube down to the nozzle. So it was all jammed up. I thought the nozzle had clogged, but when I took the nozzle off it was completely clean. I had to check back and eventually realised it was the filament was too fat. So that was a shame. That was a 14-hour print and we were about 12 hours into it. Hi guys, midday snack. Nanny's getting a bit fancy on us here. We got toast, avocado, fried egg and fruit juice. So I'll try that in a minute. Just give you an update on what I've been up to. The sun is definitely trying to come out between the clouds. Washing still out on the line. And I'm slowly working my way through preparing the parts for another one of those air engine cars by Greg Zumwalt. Just couldn't get the previous version to run with a balloon. So I'm having another go. Completely new print using the grey or silver filament that I've got now. Been having a lot of trouble with it printing, a lot of fails for some reason, not quite sure why, but we're getting there slowly. It's taking longer than the first attempt took, but we'll stop now and have our snack. Hi guys, midday snack. We're actually out and about, sort of. We've stopped to sit in the car and have a cup of coffee and some cake of some sort.
Flapjacks.
Flapjacks. Oats, honey, something else. Raisins, sultanas, with chocolate on top. And sit and watch the river go by for a few minutes. I've actually put a couple of my cameras out there, time lapse and my Canon power shot, while we sit here for a few minutes. Hi guys, time for our midday snack. Gammon with cranberry sauce, sandwiches, crisps, fruit juice, same again. Look at that, the sun shines out there now. Started trimming the bits to replace the broken bits on the air engine car. I think I showed you that one this morning. I do love that, it's just so simple. Yeah, we might have to go out for a walk this afternoon. That is too nice out there to leave it. Anyway, snack time. Hi guys, midday snack time. Back on the toast, nice thick crusty toast. Toast marmalade, toast blackcurrant jam I think. Grandad is an old man, Grandad's other channel, Grandad's merchandise mug, coffee, and we've just been out shopping. Emerson's green, so I was able to give that one a run on the skate park. It's too light now because it's got nothing on it, none of the original bodywork. It just slides instead of turning, so I have to add a bit of weight to it. I did try the boat out in the rainwater butt out there, that worked. Sun is shining bright at the moment, but if you look over there, you'll see there are really black clouds all around. We've had some fairly heavy showers, but at the moment, sunshine. So, that's the midday report. I now have my toast. Hi guys. Toasted hot cross buns with butter on them, melting into them beautifully. Coffee, more hot cross buns, midday snack. Table's getting into a bit of a mess, doing too many jobs at the same time. Doing a bit more work on the Volkswagen Beetle. Seeing if I can sort out getting the heads in there. Also have it in mind to possibly put lights in it because it's got perfect sockets for the LEDs to go in there, so we might end up with lights on it. I'd rather like to make the heads move as well. I did a bit more with the magnetic flapper boat, actually had it running. Added a flexible flipper on the end, improved it, not perfect, but that was a definite improvement. So I might have to work on that. It was persistently raining this morning, but as you can see, the clouds have cleared at the moment. Blue sky, brilliant sunshine. You can see behind the houses there's the cloud bank going across. So we're obviously in a gap at the moment. You can see the cloud bank above those roofs as well. So we're right in the middle of it somewhere. And it's a bit windy. Anyway, I can smell those hot cross buns. So I'm going to eat them. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, midday snack time. Ham and tomato sandwiches? No, I don't think there's tomato in there. Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese sandwiches with crisps and fruit juice. And out here, you probably don't notice a big change since this morning, but I have actually cleared the table off, shook the tablecloth, clean it off, and that was completely clear. And now it isn't, because I've started doing some other things. I've just broken this, I'm annoyed about that. That's my little solar sun follower thing, moves to follow the sun. It still appears to be working, but it's only working on one panel because I broke the other one. So that's annoying. Plan is to sort out some LEDs for the Volkswagen car, give it some lights. Fix one of my leads on my meter there. Put a new crocodile clip on it. That's about that. We have had brilliant sunshine all morning. It's just clouding over now that my wife's decided to do some washing. That's the washing machine running in the background. And I've just charged up some little nickel metal hydride batteries there. Yeah, okay, so it was tidy for a few minutes. Midday snack. Hi guys, midday snack, toast, marmalade, blackcurrant jam and coffee today. And in here, put some water in the bath and put the boats on it. That's that magnetic flapper boat with a longer tail on it, and it moved if you watched it for long enough. And that's my old water jet boat made with a little aquarium pump. Radio controlled, that one. What else? Hasn't rained yet today. It's dull, but not raining. There's that dunnock in the garden again. It was there with its partner this morning. Anyway, that's it. Go and have our midday snacks. Hi guys, out and about. Monday is it 29th? First day we're allowed out from lockdown, with restrictions still applied. So I'm in Keynsham at the lower car park by the river. There. It's rather pleasant here. Birds are singing. Car park's virtually empty. And I still have one of my Grandad rocks in the back of the car, so I've just left it here. Midday snack, cheese and onion on toast. Looks lovely. I'm just making myself a very temporary bird feeder or bird shelf. It's a rusty old tray. I've just bashed some holes in it to let the water out. And over in the garden I've just put a small stake in. This is just, as I say, very temporary. Just want to try out what I've just been buying in Poundland. Some mealworms, some blooms, and some birdseed. We've still got some birdseed. Had a much bigger pack that I bought years ago, and I think it's completely dried out. The birds don't seem that pleased when I put it out, so I thought I'd get them some fresh stuff. What else have I done today? I just did a tear down on these controllers to have a look inside them. And we've been out shopping. So there. Even put one of my Grandad rocks out, leave behind art today. Haven't done that for a year. Hi guys, out and about for our midday snack today. Keynsham. In fact, if I just swap the camera around. There we go. We're sitting by the river's edge. Got our coffee and our chocolate covered flapjacks. It's fairly peaceful out here. Lots of people walking around. You can walk upriver, across the bridge, down the other side and down the other bridge. Nice little flat walk. So that's what we've been doing. Oh dear, my card fell over. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.